How to create a post on the Nextdoor app. This tutorial shows you how to share something with your neighborhood community on Android. Nextdoor is a neighborhood social network that connects you with people living in your local area. You can share updates, ask for recommendations, sell items, and a lot more, all within your own community. First, open the Nextdoor app on your Android device and make sure you're logged in. From there, tap the Post button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, you'll see your name and your location listed right below it, so your neighbors know who the post is coming from. At this point, tap the text field and type out whatever you want to share with your community. From there, if you want to mention someone specific, tap the @ button below the text field and search for their name. Following this, tap the gallery icon to attach images to your post, or tap the location pin icon to tag a specific spot on the map. From here, if you want to do more than just a regular text post, tap the More option. This lets you list something for sale, give away an item, create an event, or even set up a poll for your neighbors to vote on. Once done putting your post together, look for the drop-down at the top to select your audience. At this stage, you can choose to share with anyone nearby, select specific neighboring areas, or limit it to only the neighbors you're already connected with in the app. Finally, once you're happy with everything, tap Save and then tap Post at the top right to share it with your community. That's how you create a post on Nextdoor. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.